Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something incredibly powerful, something that can transform your communication, make you more persuasive, and command attention in any room. And the best part? It's completely free, and you already have it. What is this magic tool? It's silence. That's right, silence. In a world that's constantly filled with noise, notifications, and chatter, the person who knows how to use silence strategically holds a secret weapon. We often feel this pressure to fill every single gap in a conversation, don't we? We think that if we're not talking, we're being awkward, or we're losing the other person's interest. But the opposite is often true. Pausing doesn't make you look uncertain. It makes you look confident, thoughtful, and in control. Think about the best public speakers you've ever seen. They don't just rush through their points. They pause. They let their words land. That moment of silence after a powerful statement gives the audience a chance to really absorb what was just said. It's like adding a punctuation mark to your speech, not with a comma or a period, but with time itself. It creates suspense. It builds anticipation. It makes people lean in and wonder, what are they going to say next? Let's try a little experiment right now. I'm going to make a statement, and then I'm just going to be quiet for a few seconds. Ready? The most important moments in communication are often the silent ones. See? That little gap right there gave you a moment to process. It gave the idea weight. It wasn't awkward, it was intentional. You can use this in your daily life too. In a negotiation, when you've stated your price, don't immediately start justifying it. State your price, and then be silent. Let the other person respond. This shows you're confident in your position. In a difficult conversation, when someone says something that surprises you, instead of reacting immediately, take a breath. Be silent for a moment. This gives you time to formulate a thoughtful response instead of an emotional one. Silence is also a sign of respect. It shows you are truly listening, not just waiting for your turn to speak. When someone is sharing something important, giving them the space of silence after they finish validates their feelings. It says, "I heard you, and I'm taking a moment to consider what you've shared." This builds trust and deepens your connection with people far more than jumping in with your own story or advice ever could. So, how can you start practicing this? It's simple. The next time you're having a conversation, make a conscious effort to pause before you speak. If you're asked a question, don't feel the need to answer instantly. Take a second. Breathe. After you make a key point, let it hang in the air for a moment. It will feel strange at first, I promise you. You'll want to fill that space with ums and ahs. Resist that urge. Embrace the power of the pause. You'll find that people will listen more intently, your words will have greater impact, and you will come across as more composed and authoritative. It's not about not talking, it's about making the moments you do talk count for more. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this gives you a new tool for your communication toolkit. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to communicate with confidence. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use silence this week. I'll see you in the next video.